Let's say we have this information and we want to separate the female gender into another sheet. So I'm going to add another sheet here. I will copy the female gender to this new list. What many will do is copying from this sheet, then move to the new sheet and paste one after the other. That's a long method. Instead, we will make use of Excel Clipboard. I will activate it here, so I'll just press Ctrl+C to copy all the female gender's details. You can see that our clipboard has all the females we've copied out, so I will now move to my next sheet where I want to paste it. I can choose to paste one at a time like this, or just select Paste All like so. That's it. I can clear this off. That's how to use the clipboard in Excel.